natin SRC MK1 Elite. So ito yung kapatid ni ni MK1 Helios na out of stock na. So naka dual power system, metal slide, metal yung lower frame. May under rail na for attachment. Naka fiber optic sights. May magwell na rin, SRC magwell. So naka dual power system, pwede siya sa CO2 magazine. Price is budget meal, 6,200. Okay, so test natin. Shoutout kay Sir Vicente. 353, 349. For more details, PM lang kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby Shop.